Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi, welcome to DWBIADDA Angular tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can install Material Angular menu within our project. They have three types of menu, which will be a simple menu, side nav, which will be a side nav, and the toolbar, which will be a simple toolbar. I will show you some of the examples. So first we will install the menu. To install the menu, first step is you go to the API section and look for this to install this within the project. To do this, as I explained to you in the last tutorial, we have created one index file. So we have already installed this menu here, here, and here. Each and every component which you want to use within the Material Angular has to be added at three places. First, second, and third. This is the import, this is the ng module imports, and this is the exports of ng module. So after adding it at three places, I just delete this keyword. We will go to where we want to implement the menu. So here I have implemented the menu in the navigation. So let's see its HTML, how it looks like. So if you go to view source, so there is a button called menu, and that will be shown. And in the mat menu tag, so you see this mat menu has been binded with the section menu, and menu has been written here. So when you click this button, this hash menu will trigger it. This two options. So how it looks like? So what I have said, when you click on this menu button, you see item 1 and item 2 has been shown. When you click any of the item, they are closing the menu. So on the practical side of it, here we got the mat menu, and here I got the button. So over here you can see that mat menu has a different options, and what I have done, I have used the mat icons in between. So by using these mat icons, this design of this menu looks good. So in action, if you go here, this is the project in which we have implemented the menu. So instead of that menu, we are seeing this user mark. When I click onto it, you can see there are 1, 2, 3 different options available. So what I have done, so in mat menu section, the number of buttons you give, they will become the option of this menu. So instead of writing menu inside the button, I have gave a mat icon. So let me show you the mat icons. If you want to see the list of mat icons available, you go into Google and search mat-icons Angular. When you hit enter, the first search result you receive icon Angular material. When you click on it, there is a huge list of icons available, and how to use them is also listed here. How you are going to use it, you need to include mat icon module within your app.module.ts file, and then you use them. So after doing it, to see the list of icons available, you need to go to this URL. So this is the list of icons available. So these are the shapes available. So say for example, you want to use this delete icon. You click on it, you will get a selected icon menu here. You need to click on it. It will have an idea how you are going to use it. So this is the keyword basically which you are going to use. So when you type mat icon, so this keyword goes in the middle of the mat icon tab. Say for example, you want to change this dial pad to some other icon. Say we want to use it a heart shape. So we will copy this favorite keyword and we will replace this dial pad with the favorite keyword. I just saved it. So project is reloading. So after reload, you will see when I click on it, this dial pad has been replaced by the heart icon. I just undo it because it's not this is not our project requirement. So coming back to the menu side, in navigation we have used account circle. Account circle is also available in the list. You go and search for account circle. You can see it's available. We have used this keyword to make that icon work. So there are a hell lot of icons available. If you still don't find it, so there is a way that you can create your custom icons as well. You just need to read the instructions from this and implement them. So coming back to our topic, menu. So we have installed a menu something like this. So we haven't got the menu underneath these link 1, link 2, link 3, link 4 options. So if you want to do it, what you need to do, you need to copy and paste the thing again and again and change its icon. So I have copy pasted it. If we go and see here, there are two icons now. So this icon also works, this icon also works. So instead of icons, you can have number of options and number of menus available. By making some of these CSS adjustment, you can get the thing which you require within the project. So this is the menu component. The next component we are going to discuss is the side nav. So if you go to the side nav, there is an API. Whenever you want to use any component from the material, first you need to install the API. This is the very first step. So we go and check that have we installed it or not. So if you go here, you can see that we have already installed this keyword within our project. So here, here and here, as I have explained it 2-3 times. So this is the very basic steps to install any API keyword within these three things, the three imports and export. So after importing it, the next step is the API HTML section. So this video is going to be lengthy. So stay tuned for the next tutorial. Thank you.